In Marvel's Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania, our heroes explore the mysteries of the quantum realm. In real life, experts at Argonne National Laboratory and across the country are researching quantum concepts that could revolutionize science, computing, and information technology. The movie release provided the perfect opportunity to bring real science to a sci-fi fantasy audience, which is already primed for quirky, quantum-y discovery. It also provided a chance to show audiences Argonne's own quantum realm. So how did our project come together? I'll explain it Ant-Man style. So I was like, check it. You ever thought about using Ant-Man to explain quantum science? And Jared was all, we got these dope quantum labs and all the researchers who are hella smart. We should make a campaign around this, yo. And Andre was all, yo, I got this cat who's stupid cute and loves being in boxes. We could totally use her to bust out some sick knowledge on Schrodinger's cat. You know, that thought experiment on quantum states? And these researchers were all, that idea is wicked cool, you know, we'll totally be in your videos. And Justin was like, let's tweet quantum facts and Ant-Man facts on social media like blah, blah, blah. And Dominic was all, I got this connection to Hollywood. So we said, let's get all up in a movie theater and bring in those dope scientists. And Disney was like, sick, and we were like, dope. And I was like, Disney, you should totally fly in Paul Rudd. And they were like, no. But it was still cool, you know? Boom. So, Argonne's super team of communicators assembled a series of events, videos, and social media posts that engaged over 3,000 people across our channels and brought over 500 people to live and virtual events. Several scientists were excited to participate in pop culture even if they hadn't seen Ant-Man. Some audiences are hungry for this type of programming, while others prefer our traditional science lectures. This kind of event plants the Argonne flag in the field of entertainment and science. Why should NASA have all the fun? Our success built trust with the Disney Marvel publicity team, leading to an invitation to partner on future science-y screenings. Choose source material and creators with a track record of success and a passion for science. Understand and respect the fandom. People will know if you get details wrong. Recruit experts who are fans or encourage pop culture prep. Create events that are mutually beneficial for you and the creators. Show them that you understand their publicity schedule and goals. At the end of the day, science and pop culture are more entangled than you think. Using pop culture as a gateway to celebrate science is a great way to share our lab's amazing research to a new audience and a new generation of science lovers. After our public lecture and Quantumania game show, Argonne's Chief Communications Officer, Leslie Crone, got some great feedback from one of the tweens who came up on stage to participate. His dad said this is both of his favorite things wrapped together, and the boy said, I really like Marvel and science. Leslie told him to stick with it. Ant-Man would be proud.